Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 23rd, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Make sure you watch the video on the homepage to learn more. So anyways, we definitely did drift up pretty good throughout the Asian session. If we go up to the daily time frame, we really cannot deny that we are definitely still in an uptrend. We have no engulfing move down, we have no lower high, we have no break of structure. There's no proof whatsoever that we are really going down. Now, I still think this is likely at some point to make a pretty big pullback, which would be a very significant pullback on the sort of time frames for either a wave 2 or wave B. But there's no real signs of that happening yet, and there's really nothing stopping this from going up and hitting a fib level before it does it, and maybe even going much further than that. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where you see the break of structure. And that would make you think that this move up right here would be a lower high. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down. If this move up right here respects a Fibonacci level, makes an engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely would take it as a short. And like I said, at some point we are going to make a big correction for either wave B or wave 2. So I'm definitely looking for that. And if we get a lower high, we might go short, and maybe we'll get lucky and it turns into a big 1, 2, 3 of wave A, which would be a wave A of B or a wave A of 2. But we really need to see that engulfing move down because, like I said, on the higher time frames, there's really nothing stopping this from continuing up. So that's why I will definitely wait for confirmation by seeing a nice engulfing move at a Fibonacci level before I even think about going short. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.